guys. Today I will be doing just a regular old Dutch pour. I have some nice colors here. I'm hoping for a great outcome. Let's see what we get. Let's get started. So I've already painted my base. I will have the colors listed in the description. So I'm going to put some of my base color down. And I'm going in an awkward position. I can't even tell if you guys can really see it. Hopefully you can see everything because I can't see the camera. I wanted to see if I could get a different outcome, so I'm just going in a different order. And I am going to put some of that base paint around it to make sure that it spreads. I want to still see the color of this canvas, so that's what I'm going to try today. I love this green. I'm interested to see what this is going to look like. I did see these colors in some other artwork by another artist. And I will have her name listed and below the video. All right, let's flood some. I'm going to put some of this on the sides. So I do want to see this color, so. This is such a pretty deep, deep blue. This is Amsterdam Prussian blue. It's really pretty. Start, so at least we'll have this color. Let me mix a little bit of gold in there. Okay. Ooh, I like that green, gold, and the blue. I really do. You know what? I'm not using these colors anymore. Let's see. I'm going to put a black cell activator on top. Something's telling me I should just use that green, gold, and blue. All right. Wow. That's pretty. Look at that.